India conveys concern over misuse of UK's asylum status by the pro-Khalistan elements. Also requests for increased monitoring of UK-based pro-Khalistan extremists and to take appropriate proactive action. India conveyed its concerns on the misuse of UK's asylum status by the pro-Khalistan elements to aid and abet terrorist activities in India and requested better cooperation with the UK. It also requested for increased monitoring of UK-based pro-Khalistan extremists and to take appropriate proactive action. The fifth India-UK Home Affairs Dialogue, HADI, was held in New Delhi on Wednesday. The Indian delegation was led by Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bala, and the UK delegation was led by Permanent Secretary, Home Office, Matthew Rycroft. The meeting was also attended by other senior officials of both the countries. During the meeting, both sides reviewed the ongoing cooperation and identified further steps that can be taken to explore opportunities and synergies in advancing cooperation in counterterrorism, cybersecurity and global supply chains, drug trafficking, migration, extradition, anti-India activities in UK, including pro-Khalistan extremism, among other issues. The Indian side specifically conveyed its concerns on the misuse of UK's asylum status by the pro-Khalistan elements to aid and abet terrorist activities in India, and requested better cooperation with UK and increased monitoring of UK-based pro-Khalistan extremists and take appropriate proactive action. India's concerns over the breach of security of the Indian High Commission were also emphasized, said a statement by the Ministry of Home Affairs. The meeting concluded with both sides expressing satisfaction with the ongoing partnership and agreeing to deepen bilateral engagement and maintain the momentum for enhanced security cooperation between the two countries.